I started doing this eyebrow and then I thought it's supposed to get ready with me, so I'm going to do all of it. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows. As you can see, my hair is back to black now. I don't even know if you can really tell on camera, but it's back to black. I dyed it just before Halloween. So getting on to that point, you're probably all wondering, where have I been? So, I haven't really put anywhere why I'm not filming, but the main bit is my computer has been playing up, as always, always playing up. But it's been really playing up, and I haven't been able to. I filmed a video for Halloween of this look. I'll put it here, and I couldn't edit it because I couldn't get the storage on my computer, but I deleted everything off my computer, literally everything, and it still wasn't working. So the bits that I had got onto my computer, like I think it was the first half of the makeup to really, I had finished all the eyes and I was just getting onto my face, and as I was editing it, my computer kept turning off. That's if you can even see this video, because it might happen to this video as well, having it. And then it got to the day after Halloween and I was like, there's no point of me uploading this, so I just scrapped that video. That is long gone, and I really liked that video as well. That was really fun to film. Then I scrapped it, so you didn't get a video from me for a month, I think. Let me just check, make sure it's not more than that. Yeah, it was a month ago. I hate that. It gives me... Ooh. So what did you lot do for Halloween? We had a party inside with just us in here, and my nan as well came. And we dressed up a bit. I did I did it as Frankenstein's daughter, not from Monsters High. I did my own version of it. And then Bobby, my brother, went as the Joker. Buddy, I don't know, we did him a scar, like a scratch on his hand, on his arm, and he had like little scars on him, but he had a mask. Like, what was his mask for? I don't remember. He didn't really want to do it, so he hasn't dressed up in a long time. And then my mum was Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't know what to do first. I'm probably going to do eyes first. So I'm going to go off camera and do one eye, so I know what I'm doing, so I can go talk to you more, and then I'll be back. So I've done this eye off camera, and I sort of went along with Twee's look that she did quite a while ago. There, with the yellow and the brown. So now let's do it on this side. So I'm going to zoom you in. And before I went off and did this camera, I was talking about Halloween. So what did you do for it? Okay, so I don't know if you would have known, but I started, not a business, I wouldn't really call it a business yet because I'm not charging at the moment, but I started an Instagram page, a graphic Instagram page where I make YouTube intros, outros, banners, Instagram, YouTube intros and outros. I did a logo design, but I'm not going to show you that because I haven't asked about the show, and I don't think they're coming out yet. I did a Instagram post design for a girl who has her own like biscuits for horses, which is cool, and it was super cute. I've done a few intros as well, so I'll link my Instagram down below. So I'm doing them free at the moment, so I've been doing that. I really just enjoy making intros. I like editing. I know that might sound stupid because it stresses people out, but I actually like doing it. I find it really fun, and intros are my favourite things to make. So I'm using the James Charles palette and the Oh, hello, Winnie. Look, look, look. This is Winnie. Look at the camera. Look, look. Oh, look, who's this? Winnie. Winnie. Who's that? This is Winnie, the dog that I was telling you about last video. I said I'm going to take the Mickey Tutorial palette and the James Charles palette. Winnie, stop. So I'm just going to go into, I went into 5 AM. Winnie, stop. Making sure there's no creases. And I'm just going to go into my crease. So at the end of the video, if you stay, I might put some of the intros that I've done. Actually, my new intro should be on this video, so that's sort of like what I've done, one of them. I did some Christmas intros, so if you want Christmas intros. And as I said, as I showed you, we've got a dog, and that's Winnie, her name, like Winnie the Pooh, a bit naughty, like she bites a lot. She actually bit me. I'll put, if you don't like blood, don't look at the next bit that I'm going to show you, skip it. I'll tell you at the time to skip it to here. But so this is a scar from what she did, but I'll put a picture of it now. It was also firework night. Well, firework night. I don't know if you celebrate it in America. I'm not too sure. Yeah, that's. I didn't watch it. I stayed with the dog. And they did fireworks outside. It wasn't really my thing. If you see the backdrop move, it's the dog moving it. And I feel like I've been looking at myself again and not in the camera. I'm so sorry if I've been doing that. I haven't really posted on my Instagram, my beauty Instagram. I tried to do the 31 days of Halloween makeup. No, I tried to do 10 days of Halloween makeup, but it's because I started it too late. Like, I didn't pre-prepare on what I wanted to do really. I've got some looks, these are them. I wanted to do more, so next Halloween I'm gonna start creating the Halloween looks before Halloween. So I can do the full 31 days. Next year Halloween, you can all comment next year on Halloween that I will do 31 days of Halloween makeup. So that's weird, because this year you haven't even met Chloe. That's so strange. So I have my best friend's name is Chloe, and normally we see each other at least once a week because we go gym together a lot, and we've only seen each other like 4 times this year. That's crazy. That's actually craziness. But with this stupid lockdown, you can't see anyone. But next year, like this is all over, we will definitely go do stuff. So, I've got a question as well. Have you put up your Christmas tree? Now, I know in America it's wrong to put up your Christmas tree before Thanksgiving, but in the UK, people have already got their Christmas tree up and have had their Christmas tree up for a while. So I just want to know if you have yours up. Comment down below and let me know. We haven't. We don't. My mum's like, Christmas is her thing. She loves Christmas. Like, she will watch Christmas movies in January. She loves it so much. I don't mind it. I'm not the biggest fan. So yeah, we don't put, she's really fussy with the tree, so we can't help her decorate it. She has to decorate how she likes, and it goes up on the 1st of December. Okay, so then I'm going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glittering Midnight Cowboy and the NYX Glitter Bright Brilliance in gold and just do the liner. So I'm going to fast forward this bit just because it takes time and I'm not going to talk during this bit anyway. And also, what do you do to distract your dog when you're doing that? Like hiccup. We put on, well, I looked it up to see if it would work, and I'll put it on, and she actually, when he actually watches dog TV, that's what she's doing right now, watching dog TV, and for the most part it's kept occupied. I'm just going to take the Jasmine doll lashes, if you're wondering what they are. I substituted the box that I was going to show you. So this I got sent by Pixie. And I want to show you the box because look how pretty it is. All the lemons, and I'm going to be using their new stuff today. And in the mornings, because I walk the dog in the morning, I take, so this is sort of how my morning goes. So I'll get my brother ready for school and take him to school, and then I'll go walk the dog. I've been walking her further. Before I just used to walk her up the river. I don't know if I should really say that, but it's not like you know where exactly I live, but no, foundation. The Fenty one oxidizes a tiny bit immediately. I actually got it when I was in America. I don't know if I said that or not. For my 18th birthday we went to Disney World in Florida, and I bought it there, and because I was I did tan in Florida, but I tanned a little bit, so I didn't want to get a colour that matched that because it wouldn't match me every day. So I've got this colour, but it was too light when I come back, but it oxidizes a tiny bit. But in winter I can put it off with a little bond. So I showed I sort of not copied because it's not really the same. I took inspiration from PLOUISE makeup, but she's literally one of my favourite YouTubers to watch. I used to watch loads and loads and loads of YouTubers, but I don't really now. Because the ones that I watch, they sort of changed. The only one who I've been watching like since, I watched like May Baby and who else? Like Alicia Marie. But I used to love them sort of videos, and then I got into beauty videos and I watched Nikki tutorials. Since the start I've watched the Bucket List family. I'll always watch them because they're just amazing. And I still watch Alicia Marie. I don't really watch May Baby. I haven't watched her in a long time. I started watching Imagination. I met her. She's so lovely. I feel like I talk about meeting her all the time, but honestly, she's such a kind soul. So I'm just powdering now. I've already put concealer in now, and I'll just skip through it. I'm just going to take some of the bronzer. So, Christmas content. What sort of Christmas content do you want to see? Because I want to do vlogmas, but I know, sorry I keep looking because she's looking. I want to do vlogmas, but I know I won't be able to do it like every day, just because I don't think my computer will be able to take that either. So I was thinking maybe, so we can hear all the noise on the traffic. Think about doing it like weekly, because I don't really get up to that much either. So if you want to give me content on what you want to see, I'll still do like makeup videos. I'll do like weekly vlogmas. So I want to do it, I like doing it like, obviously if it's still locked down, it might not happen because I might not be able to do that stuff, but like I could maybe do like baking. I won't show you presents because the people I get presents for watch this. I don't want to give it away to them what I'm getting them, but maybe I could even do like a video like gift ideas for people. Though my friend Chloe, we've been getting stuff for each other for such a long time. It's so hard getting that stuff this year. But I know what I want to get her, but her birthday's in December as well, so I don't know what to get her for her birthday. Well, I do now. I know what I'm getting her. I'm not saying because she watches this. Like maybe if you want to see my brothers and that, like I don't know, I've got some ideas. But like I want to know what you want to watch because you'll be the one watching it. So I want to do stuff that you'll like as well. My battery's flashing by the way, if you're wondering what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at myself, I'm looking at the battery. So this is the finished look. What do you think? Do you like it? If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.